Chino Hills State Park is one of the best places to visit during spring for wildflowers in SoCal. It is best known for its yellow flowers called mustard plants, aka the poppies. Here are the basics. Gate opens at 8 a.m. and it closes 7 p.m. from April and closes earlier at 5 p.m. from October. It costs $10 to get in here, but you can also do $3 for 1 hour. There are 3 things to remember here. Number 1, stay on the trail. Number 2, beware of rattlesnakes. Lastly, pack it in and pack it out. There's also a lot of insects here that is biting me, and I think you should bring mosquito repellent, especially during this time. Chino Hills State Park is 90 miles long. You can bike, hike, and horseback here. This park is home for 200 species of birds, mammals, reptiles, and insects, a famous wildlife sighting. You can also do a rare plant sighting, including black walnut trees and coast live oaks. Picnics are allowed in picnic areas only, but not over the wildflowers. Once they are trampled, they are no longer available for everyone to enjoy. Camping is allowed in Chino Hills State Park, but you need to have reservation and registration. It is not allowed to hike at night. I think mainly because you cannot see rattlesnakes at night and you might step on the wildflowers. There's also no cell site here, but there's free park Wi-Fi. Here are the famous trails here in Chino Hills State Park. Bain Canyon Loop Trail is very popular and heavily trafficked. The long version loop is 5.8 miles long, and there's a mini version of it which is 3.4 miles long. Eucalyptus Trail is an easy 2.5-mile loop that you can finish in 1 hour. It's great for mountain biking, but there's a lot of poop around. Don't worry, you will survive. It's great for farmhouse and horse viewing. Telegraph Canyon is a 5.6-mile hike and completely open. Sunscreen is a must. The San Juan Trail is a sunset hiking spot with an 8-mile loop of hiking. You can spot here wildflowers and evergreen hills during spring. Cold Canyon has juniper trees at the top of the trail, an uncommon sight in this region. This is 9.8 miles long, perfect for endurance training. I hope you enjoyed this Chino Hills video. Let me know if you have questions, suggestions in the comments below. And off I go. See you next time.